welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about the how to determine the moment of resistance. Especially in this question is of under reinforced type of section. So in previous video, I told you about the over reinforced type of section. So if you have not checked, please check that video. It will be helpful for you. So let's start this question. So we have given a question: determine the moment of resistance of a singly reinforced rectangular beam of size 250 mm by 400 mm, reinforced with 3 bars of 12 mm diameter, placed at an effective cover of 40 mm. Use M20 grade of concrete and Fe415 grade steel. Take M equals to 13.3. So let's draw the diagram. So we have a dimension that is 250 mm and this distance is 400 mm. And we have given a 3 bars of 12 mm. So draw 3 bars here. It is singly reinforced beam, so I have drawn these bars at only the intention zone. Now we have given a effective cover of 40 mm. This distance is from this point to the center of these 3 bars. So this distance is 40 mm. And now the remaining distance is denoted by small d, which is equal to 400 minus 40, that is 360 mm. Now write down the given data. We have a B equals to 250 mm, small d equals to 360 mm. Now calculate the area of steel. So we have 3 bars, the 3 into area of each bar, that is 4 by 5 by 4 into 12 square. After calculating this, you will get 339.29 mm square. Now we have a M20 grade and grade of concrete and Fe415 grade of steel. So as per the precise in 456/2000, we should take permissible stress in concrete is 7 Newton per mm square and in steel 230 Newton per mm square. And now we don't need to calculate molecular m. We have already given, that is m equals to 13.33. So the first step is to find the actual depth of n. For this we have a formula, that is Bn square by 2 equals to m into area of steel into d minus n. So write down the values, that is 250 into n square by 2 equals to, that is we have m, that is 13.33, area of steel, that is 339.29 into d, we have a 360 and n is unknown. So now after calculating this, you will get this equation: 125 n square plus 422.73 n minus 8184.8 equals to 0. So solve this equation in Calc C and you will get the value of n, that is 97.46 mm. So we have calculated the actual depth of Na. Now we need to find the critical depth for Na. So step 2, critical depth for Na. It is denoted by Nc. So we know the formula of Nc, that is Kd, and therefore K, and we know the K equals to 1 upon 1 plus permissible stress of in steel upon M into permissible stress in concrete. So put it here, that is 2 upon 1 plus T upon M into C. Put the values. We have a value of D, that is 360 upon 1 plus 230 upon, that is 13.33 into 6. You will get the final answer 103.89 mm. So you can compare the value of N and Nc. So you will get is Nc is greater than N. So this condition is of under reinforced section of section. So this section is under reinforced So now we can find the moment of resistance. So for this, you should know the moment of resistance formula. So for the under reinforced section, the formula of moment of resistance is area of steel into compressive stress in steel into D minus N by 3. So write down the values. We have a 339.29 into 230 into 360 minus, and we have the value of N, that is 97.46 upon 3. So calculate this, you will get 25.55 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. So simply write this in kilonewton meter. So you will get 55.50 Newton meter. So this is the final value of moment of resistance for the section under reinforced beam.